We all enjoy a little sweetness in our lives. But what if that sweetness came at a hidden cost? Sugar, a seemingly harmless ingredient found in countless processed foods and sugary drinks, can have detrimental effects on our health, particularly by fueling inflammation throughout the body. This inflammation, often silent and unnoticed, can set the stage for various chronic diseases. It's time to pull back the curtain on sugar's hidden dangers. We'll delve into how different types of sugar sneak into our diets, wreak havoc on our blood sugar levels, and ultimately contribute to a state of chronic inflammation that silently damages our bodies over time. By understanding the connection between sugar and inflammation, we can make informed choices to protect our health. This journey toward better health starts with awareness. Once we understand how sugar impacts our bodies, we can start making positive changes to our diets and lifestyles. Sugar comes in many forms, and they're not all created equal. Glucose, the simplest form of sugar, is our body's primary energy source. We find it naturally in fruits and vegetables. However, problems arise when we consume excessive amounts of added sugars, often hidden in processed foods and beverages. These added sugars include sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, agave, honey, and maple syrup. While they may differ slightly in their chemical structures, they all contribute to a surge in blood sugar levels. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugar intake to no more than 25 grams per day for women and 36 grams for men. Unfortunately, most of us far exceed these recommendations without even realizing it. Why is exceeding these recommendations problematic? Our bodies simply aren't designed to handle the constant influx of sugar found in the modern diet. This overload leads to a cascade of negative effects on our metabolism and overall health. Imagine a roller coaster ride. That's what happens to your blood sugar levels when you consume sugary foods and drinks. When sugar enters your bloodstream, your pancreas releases insulin, a hormone that helps shuttle glucose into your cells for energy. However, when you overload your system with sugar, your cells can become resistant to insulin's effects. This insulin resistance means that glucose can't enter your cells as efficiently, leading to chronically elevated blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to prediabetes and type 2 diabetes, conditions characterized by the body's inability to regulate blood sugar effectively. The consequences of chronically elevated blood sugar extend far beyond diabetes. This metabolic dysfunction sets the stage for a host of other health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. The link between sugar and inflammation runs deep. When your body is in a constant state of high blood sugar, it triggers a process called oxidative stress. This occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Think of it like this. Free radicals are like little sparks that can damage your cells, while antioxidants are like fire extinguishers that put out those sparks. Sugar tips the scales in favor of free radicals, leading to cellular damage and inflammation. This inflammatory response is your body's way of protecting itself from harm. However, when inflammation becomes chronic due to a sugar-laden diet, it can have serious consequences for your health. Inflammation isn't always obvious, but there are some telltale signs that your body might be sending you. Persistent fatigue, even after a good night's sleep, can be a sign of chronic inflammation. Joint pain, especially in the knees, hips and hands, is another common symptom. Skin issues like acne, eczema and psoriasis can also be linked to inflammation. Digestive problems such as bloating, gas and constipation can also signal that inflammation is brewing within your gut. These symptoms are often subtle and easily dismissed, but it's crucial to pay attention to your body's signals. Early detection of inflammation can help you make necessary lifestyle changes to prevent more serious health problems down the line. Chronic inflammation fueled by a diet high in added sugar is like a slow-burning fire in your body. Over time, it can damage your blood vessels, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also contribute to insulin resistance, further exacerbating blood sugar problems and increasing your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Chronic inflammation has also been linked to other chronic diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. The constant state of alert that inflammation puts your body in takes a toll on your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and other health issues. The good news is that you have the power to extinguish this fire by making conscious choices about what you eat and how you live. By reducing your sugar intake and adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, you can significantly lower your risk of developing these chronic diseases. Reducing your sugar intake doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Start by reading food labels carefully and becoming aware of how much added sugar is hidden in common processed foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains whenever possible. Cook more meals at home so you can control the ingredients and avoid added sugars. When you do eat out, be mindful of your choices and ask for sauces and dressings on the side. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, instead of sugary drinks like soda and juice. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle and celebrate your successes along the way. The journey towards better health begins with a single step. By understanding the hidden harm of sugar and its role in fueling inflammation, you've already taken that first step. Reducing your sugar intake is a powerful way to reclaim your health and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle and gradually build from there. Listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Your health is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the sweet rewards of a healthier, more vibrant you.